Hey, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with another review for the month of April. I'm not even going to get in or make excuses. Yes, I'm behind once again, as always, but we're going to go ahead and try to get this out to you as soon as possible and let you see what we got here. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. And before we get into it, please don't forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with anybody that you think would be interested in ThreadBeast. Again, ThreadBeast is a subscription clothing service for men or for, I guess, menswear. I don't know how you even want to get into that. But either way it goes, it's a clothing subscription service that has urban men's clothing. So if you know someone that maybe was like me, that wasn't really great at shopping for themselves, or their style just kind of got to the point to where it was just bland, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe for this. This is a great gift, by the way. You know, they have different levels, starting at like $55, going all the way up to like $200, I believe. So just be aware, it's either 55 or 65 bucks. But hey, if this is someone that a significant other or something along those lines, hey, the box that I get is $85 a month. I definitely get well over $85 worth of clothing every month, so it's very well worth it. You do get to the point to where you might have more clothes than what you really need. So I really hope, and I will suggest to ThreadBeast, that they consider an option where someone can get clothes every other month, or you know, you can get it 4 times a year. You can get it quarterly. I think those are really good options for people that have been with ThreadBeast for quite a while and you just have a lot of clothes. So I think in this way they would never really lose their subscribers. But hey, I can only suggest it, see if they actually do anything about it. So let's see. First thing up is a pair of ankle socks. The brand is Crisp. I think these socks would probably run about 10 bucks. All right, so let's see. This clothing brand called Chomp, and it's a cool little graphic tee. Let's see. This one is Undefeated. Okay, a nice little black tee, Undefeated. You know, I think you can always just say that these t-shirts are 25, 30 bucks. We'll just go ahead and say 25 per shirt. So that's already 50 bucks for these 2 shirts. Let's say these are 10, so that's 60 bucks. We have another shirt here. I don't know what SSUR Plus is, but you know, just a little skull and crossbones type situation shirt, black and white. You know, it has something on the back, looks pretty cool. I definitely will get some rocks out of that. And then we got one last shirt here, and that's a Columbia t-shirt. I'm not even sure how Columbia got into the urban wear business, or they just got stuff that, you know, hey, ThreadBeast wanted. But yeah, these turn into basketball shirts for me. But this one isn't bad, even though I don't know, I would wear just something that says Boston on it. But hey. All right, so then I have a CLSC pair of shorts. These are very thick, heavy shorts, and they're like mesh basketball shorts, but I don't think anybody would actually wear them to play basketball in. So yeah, I think overall I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. That's at least $100. These shorts probably would cost about 40, 50 bucks. So I think it's fair to say that this box is probably like 150, 160. And like I said, my subscription is $85. So let me go ahead and get ready to try these on, and we'll be right back to you, and see you shortly. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, here we go. All right, so the shorts in this April box are pretty comfortable. They're just some regular little basketball shorts with the design on it. And then, you know, black and white t-shirts, skull and bones. You know, it looks good. Ain't nothing bad I could say about it. And basically, I'll just be trying on the other t-shirts that go along with this and see how all that works. And just remember, if you are enjoying the videos that I've been pulling out, if you've been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out, please, by all means, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Share the video with anybody that you feel would benefit from these clothes. And make sure you like the video. All right, so let me go ahead and try on the other shirts. Same shorts, undefeated t-shirt. Fits pretty good. Only thing I'm noticing about a lot of these shirts, they feel real close around the neck. I feel like somebody's strangling me. But fits good, can't complain. Boom. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. All right, so this is the Columbia shirt. You know, one thing I can say that I like about this one is how it does tend to fit a little closer in the arms. Every shirt doesn't do that, but in this one it does, and you know, I like the fit of it overall. It suits me. On to the next one. Got one last shirt left. All right, so this is the last shirt in the April box. Just want you to take a look. It fits well. What can I really say? You know, I'll find something to rock with it. All right, and now this wraps up the April box. So, like I said, go ahead and check Threadbeast out. Check the link in the description and go ahead and give it a shot. We both get something when you go ahead and subscribe through my link. All right, peace. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.